cooking apa?
Before I start cooking today, I'm going to make a very special, but very simple, super simple powder that can enhance anything that you cook, which is fried onion powder. Seriously, this is super nice. You put inside everything also, it will change the flavor, enhance the flavor a lot, yeah? So I'm just going to get a blender here. This is purposely for blending powder. So I'm going to put in some fried garlic. Make sure your fried garlic is dry enough. I just buy the ready-made ones. If you got time, just make it yourself also can. You can look for my video. It's not difficult at all. Just make a small cup of it. Then you can keep it in a small container like this, and you can use it like a chicken stock. Actually, you almost use it like a chicken stock. Seriously, one of the easiest powder that you can find. You can put a bit of salt if you want to, but I'm not going to put any salt today. So let me go on. Let me see. Look at this. Can you see clearly? Right? Powder, and this is super fragrant. You can put inside your veggie, fried noodles, anything. Right? Then you have something like this. Super fragrant, super easy. Seriously. You don't have to use MSG. Use this one.